Hello friends, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, we'll see how can we use adopt to source function, adopt to source property without using any kind of property nodes. So we know very well here we are using okay here we know very well here we are using a random number generator to generate our value for array. Okay, and we know very well the random number generator generate the value with the decimal number, means floating number, and the decimal number and floating number we can only access with the dbl. Okay, double precision floating or extended. Okay, so the what is the representation of this array? So the representation of this array is dbl. We can okay we can study or we can display the decimal point using this CGL, FGL, fixed point and decibel. Generally by default it's present in a dBl. Whenever we'll change the value, if I will connect this one, okay, if I will connect this one, so it's not change so it not change the representation by automatically. Okay, same like here, if I will change the value, right now this one is the integer, this one is also integer, but it is a dbl. Okay, it's not changed automatically, and there corrosion dot are present, so there corrosion dot are present. So to eliminate that thing, we can right click and come to the adapt to source. If we'll click adapt to source, okay, now run, so it will be automatically change the size according to this source. Okay, now again if I will change random number generator and if I will click this one, so it will be changed automatically, just because I have selected here adopt to source. Okay, automatically I had generated adopt to source. Now whenever we'll run, okay, now run, whenever we'll run, we'll find uh, it show the previous data. Here it's showing the previous one data, it's not 0000. Okay, to eliminate that thing we will use the value property node also. So to change the value property node, right click here. Okay, come to the property node, there is the value, right click. Okay, now change all to right, create constant. Okay, now there is this one, place 0, put 0, place inside, right click, change to representation dbl. Now if you want, you can connect like this, just because to maintain the data flow. Okay, the data flow dependencies, because it depends left right. Now if you will run, so first it will be declare all those 0, after that it will be insert new data. So thank you for watching this video. Okay, if I will provide so for better understanding you can, okay, it will take 10 seconds to complete my whole program. So it is running just because it will take 10 seconds. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.